Here are my top tips to help you tell if an online store is real or if it's a scam. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and there are so many websites and new brands popping up each week, so it's not surprising that sometimes we wonder if they're even real. Before handing over your money to a website you haven't heard of before, follow these steps to avoid falling for a scam. First, check the lock icon on your browser address bar and that the website link has an HTTPS instead of it just HTTP. These are signs of a secure connection. Next, do a quick Google search and check any reviews on the Better Business Bureau's website to see if there are a lot of negative reviews or complaints. Tip number 3, check the contact information. Make sure the store has a physical address and a phone number listed on the website. Do a search on Google Maps to see if the store comes up. Another tip, look for the customer service information. Legit online stores have a customer service email or chat feature. If you can't get through, you probably shouldn't trust the site. Next, compare prices, and if the website's showing prices that are just simply too good to be true, well, it probably is. Be sure to always be cautious with payment. Use a secure method like a credit card or PayPal so that you can recover the money through your bank if you do end up being a victim of a scam. To learn how to avoid falling for other scams, head to cyberguy.com. And have you signed up for my newsletter yet? It's simply free.